Okay, so daily note session for October 24th, 2024. Here we go. I'm going to start on a higher time frame just to see what's going on the weekly. Candle still on a down close position so far. Open, down. Still haven't came back up to get this high or anything. That's all good. Let's just see where it's working. So it's working at the top of the CIBI now. Like, it worked the top of the CIBI. My bad. That's what I meant to say. Went up to it, came down, and here we are. Daily. And as we get to the lower time frames, we'll get more information. So I wasn't realizing that like my quality on my screen wasn't really all that good. So hopefully things get a little bit better now. What is this way? Oh, that's the where price is currently sitting. Cool. Daily time frame. This is still remaining open. This is Wednesday's candle. This is Thursday's candle. So from this close, price jumped up and opened here. So there's a volume imbalance in there on some sort of time frame. I have to just check that out. So let's put some notes on here. What do we got? So price opened higher. On the lower time frame. It's definitely a fact. Back inside the weekly CIBI slash daily CIBI as well. So no, not Siri. It's pretty much it. So it went back inside here, inside the CIBI here, which we're gonna have to keep extending that because prices work in this area. And then it's at the bottom of it now. So let's just see what's going on there. Take a picture of that. It's really not much. You know, elections are like in 2 weeks. So price is, you know, pretty much just stalling right now. Not really seeing anything too crazy going on with price. Let's just take a peek. There's that yesterday's candle. So there it is right there. So 2 p.m. There's that volume imbalance there. And we want to make this green. So I like to use for volume imbalances. And then as you can see, let's get rid of that. We could leave that there. That's cool. Remember, it worked off of this BISI here. Price pushed up, back. So now it's expected. When you see a huge, on a daily time frame, a huge down close candle, we're used to seeing this. You can watch all my daily sessions. And it goes down, and usually the next day, it's pretty much just going to go back up. Especially after taking so much sell side right here. Lots and lots of sell side. There's still a lot of sell side down here. But for now, they're just working in this range, in this area here. From this low to this high, this is where price has been hanging around for this month. So boom. So it filled that in right there. Reaching up into there. No, nothing too like spectacular going on here. Let me just write volume imbalance. Not much going on. Not much. Just take a picture of that. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So look at how the volume imbalance, the bodies of the candles respected here in the Asian session, 8 p.m. pushed up. Right here, 9 p.m. But this is Wednesday, yeah, Wednesday leading into Thursday, exactly. Consolidated, then decided to push up, tag this high right here, break down, tag these lows, work the volume imbalance, take that low inside this BISI here, and then push price back up. So I'm going to just mark all that stuff up. Here we go. So working in here. Boom. Then we got this one here, which goes with the volume imbalance. Just keep it like that. And then price came up here and tag this. Tag that high up there. Boom. Then broke back down. Obviously worked this and then, pushed up. All of this is 1 hour. So let's just write that down. Black. So is this one. Black as well. Boom. So just notice how the lows are tagged right there. Lows were tagged right there. High was tagged up here. Just, nothing too crazy. Same old behavior. And I'll just take a picture of that because I can pretty much read and understand this. This is also a SIBI over here. Look at this SIBI right here. Price is working the mid area of that. That's cool. Down to a 15-minute. Here's what we got. Let's find that bell open. We had some news, but nothing too crazy. Bell open, yeah, right here. This was the bell open. It's a big bell. Right. Let me just leave that there. It's gonna bother me if I leave it. Right. Whatever. Bell open. So check this out right here. See that small imbalance there? This is what price rejected from at the bell open. Boom. Then there's a lot of consolidation inside here on the lower time frame. To get these smooth lows, took them out, then price pushed up. But personally didn't really like price today. Price was really weird. So I got in, got out on the play that I recorded, and then I just tape read for a bit, and then I went about my business. After that, when I see price like stalling like that, I'm not really trying to be in the markets. So overnight session. What was the overnight session looking like? So overnight pull up. time is this right here? Lunch hour, 12 p.m. But it failed to do that. Don't mind me that I'm like real quiet. It's just, this is just what it is. It failed to do that and worked the bottom of the daily FVG. That simple. That's just what happened. Let's see what's going on the 5. This right here. We shrink this right here. Whoop. Tighten that up. Let's get rid of that. That's what it looks like on a 5. That's what it looks like on a 5 right here. Boom. We'll leave the volume imbalance there. So the only good price action was actually this right here. This whole run right here. From the afternoon all the way up here. Till the morning session. And then it came down. Oh, yeah, nothing too spectacular, bro. I'm telling you. Like, price is really. This is what I was talking about. Like, look at what price was doing all morning. Bell open, boom, 931 candle. There's that first fair value gap. Boom. Run it across. It was just ridiculous. Ridiculous price action. I just took a picture of that, but then we're going to go down to, let's go to this chart over here. Like, this was just wild. The way price, like, right here, this is no good. High resistance. Just, oh, nope, 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 nope. Then at 11:30, it finally came down from here. Right there, 11:35. Finally decided to tag these lows right here that it created. And into the end dog. It barely filled in the, there it is. The opening range gap. There it is. So there's the open. Turn on electronic again. So look, they left a small portion of it open. But immediately from the open came down to the opening range, midpoint, pushed up, then just like consolidated and worked. They didn't really want to sprint to do nothing. Boom. I don't know. Nothing here. Home. Home. This is just funky, man. That's pretty much it. I don't even like I said, man. The price action lately has not been all that, and it's just, you know, learning experiences, I guess. Look at this. Like, you gotta get real surgical when you're dealing with this type of price action. So that's pretty much it. I'll leave it at that, and I just have to document that, keep it there in my files, and where are they? Right here. Not much. Not much. Not much. Not much. Just take that right there. That's it. Peace.